Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Carlo and we are here for another quick unboxing video of this new pair of tech that I actually just bought today together with I don't know if you can see that one. I actually bought that together with this one. So what are we talking about? So we are talking about this. I don't know when it was released, maybe last year, October or something. So we are talking about the Ray-Ban Meta. So I actually got the Wayfarer version. This is the larger size, and this is in according here. It's a matte black polar gradient graphite colors. So I actually bought this when I actually saw this for the first time. I have a lot of things in my mind on how I can actually use this to get some videos, maybe some reels or some shorts that I actually can use to like take my videos about Nintendo Switch or something like that. So without anything else, let's unbox this one. So here in the front you will see the logo here, Ray-Ban, and then there's Meta there. The model that I got is again it's Wayfarer here, and on the side you will see here the specs. So I got here the matte black polar gradient, and the size is size 53, which is the larger size. I got this really cheap, so I'm not really sure how much that is in dollars, but I got this for 1,700 dirhams. So I'll just pin here like how much that is in dollars. So let's open this up. This is how you're going to open this. So see, there's a line here that you can actually just peel. Oh, it didn't peel that well. Let me just do that again. Okay, so it will greet you with this message: listen, call, live stream. Okay, once you open it, you will have this message again: listen, call, live stream. And the case here, I got some Ray-Ban glasses before, so it almost has the similar style, and I believe this will also serve as your charging case aside from it being your sunglasses case. So let's open this. It's gonna be a very short video. I'm just excited to use this. So it will actually lit red over. Hi guys, sorry about that. So my camera just got low bat. So again, this is you can actually see here like if it's actually charging or not. So I think it's color yellow, so it's not fully charged. So when we open this, you are greeted. This is again a matte black frame with a polar gradient graphite color. So here it is. So as you can see here, there are two. Wait, yeah, okay, there. There are two. Looks like camera, but one of them, this one, I think, is just an indicator if you are taking photos or video, and this is the actual camera. So guys, let's see. Okay, I'm so happy that I got the size 53 here because it really suits me here. I saw the size 50 and it's a bit small, so I'm so happy with what I got here. And again, those POV shots that you're actually seeing before, like how you look at the products, I can actually use this when I'm actually doing some shorts here about some of my games. Nintendo Switch games. So I'll give you some updates. I will have this replaced with a prescription lenses, so I can use this in the office. I will have it in transition. This is really hard to find here in the UAE, so you don't really get this as much. It's not as open like in the US. It's really hard to find. I'm not sure even in the Ray-Ban store here in the UAE they don't have this. But well, I got this for, I think, cheaper than the actual price in the market. So I'm happy with this one. Now, again, this is a quick video. See you in my other next video. I'm focusing more on my Nintendo Switch, and we will play the other game that we bought together with this one, which is the Ring Fit Adventure. See you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!